Well, this is another semi truck that I picked up. Same company, different driver. So actually the same people that I cut yard for. Went ahead and started washing their semi truck as well. It's been raining all week. This thing was covered in mud. Didn't get any before pictures, but I got it all cleaned up and ready for another work week. All the bugs off it. Scrubbed down. Anybody in the Cordele, Americas, Warren Robins, Perry area here in Georgia want me to scrub up on their truck, I'm not above it.